Hi, welcome to my new video on how to install Canon Pixma G5020 printer on a Windows computer. To install this printer on a computer, you will require its driver. I will show you which driver you will require and where you can download it from. This is the driver that you will require. You can download the driver from the video description below. I have given the download link there. After downloading the drivers, just double click on that. Click on yes if it is asking for permission. It is extracting the driver files, so please wait. Click on start setup. Click on next. It is downloading the drivers, the latest drivers, so please wait. Now click on yes to continue and click on agree. Now it is asking how you want to connect your printer. If you want to connect your printer through the Wi-Fi, then select Wi-Fi connection. And if you want to connect your printer through network cable, then select wired LAN connection, or select USB connection if you want to connect USB through the USB cable, and then click on next. It is now installing the drivers, so please wait. Now connect the USB cable of your printer to the computer and make sure the printer is turned on. When you connect the USB cable of your printer, it will be detect your printer and go to the next screen. On the next screen, you need to click on next and then finish to complete the installation. After that, your printer will be installed successfully. So that's it for now. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Have a great day. Bye bye.